How to use TikTok series feature. To use the TikTok series feature, first of all, you simply have to check your eligibility requirements. First things first, you must be 18 years old or older, and your account also must be a public personal or business account. And you also need at least 10,000 followers. And you also must have posted at least 3 public posts and accumulated 1,000 plus total views over the last 30 days. Now, once you go through this, you simply have to launch the application and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right. Then you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the TikTok Studio. From here, you should be able to find the monetization section. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it, then select the series. However, monetization feature is not yet available within my region, but you simply have to go ahead and tap on it and then input your title, description, and an eye-catching cover photo. Set your price, then tap next to save your storefront skeleton layout. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.